So,
Well, how you doing? My name is Matt Agosta. I'm the former president of Steele Rubber Products. It's a family-owned business. We're in third generation. I was the second generation. We manufacture rubber, weather stripping and moldings for we started in the restoration end and the street rod end, but now after 63 years of being in business, we also make a wide variety of rubber for your recreational vehicles as well as recreational boats. But our main focus of business and our love is still in the street rod and in the restoration part. And we make thousands of parts for restoring mostly American-made vehicles.
what does SEMA mean for you guys?
Now, SEMA to us, this is the heartbeat of the whole industry. This is where you see what's the trend that the market's taking, as well as this industry is basically like family. So this is where we see our friends and our family. And so this is a can't miss event for me and for our group, as well as a place where we can display our products and get to meet people from all over the world that can't find these parts. So we love it here, and we love all our customers.